Hey guys, if you do not have a marker board and an eraser or paper and a pencil, go ahead and pause this video right now and grab your materials. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We are on lesson 1.1 and this entire lesson is talking about place value and understanding the values of digits. So in your classroom, I'm sure you have a place value chart, something similar to this. We're going to be working from the ones place to the hundred thousands or millions place. So the first thing that we went over is we were looking at the specific digits of our large numbers, and those specific digits have values. So in this number, 836,130, each place value has a digit, and each specific digit has a value. So this number in particular, if I were to move my place value chart up here, I would see that this 0 is in the ones place. So that means that there are 0 ones, so it's worth 0. Then I have this 3 in the tens place. So that means that I have 3 tens in the tens place. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 3 tens is 30. Then I have 100, so I have 100. And then I have 6 in the thousands place. So the value of that 6 is 6,000. And then I have 3 in the 10,000s place. So I have 3 10,000s. So the value of that 3 digit is 30,000. And then I have an 8 in the 100,000s place, which means that I have 800,000s. So that value of that 8 digit is 800,000. So the question here is find the value of the underlying digit. So the 8 in this number is worth 800,000. So one strategy you could use is to line up your place value chart to help you if that is confusing you. So this next problem, I'm not going to answer for you. I would like for you to pause this video and tell me or write down on your board or your paper, what is the value of this 3 digit? Go ahead and pause this video right now and solve. All right, so what we wanted to come across here in our number 25,035 is that the value of this 3 digit is worth 30. All right, our next problem that we have 620,831. I would like for you to write down on your board or your paper, what is the value of that 2 digit? All right, the value of that 2 digit, well, that 2 digit is in the 10,000s place. So if it's in the 10,000s place, then that means that it is worth 2 10,000s, which equals 20,000. Great job. All right, go ahead and erase your board or grab a new paper and a pencil. And we're going to take this one step further. And now we're going to compare the values of the underlying digits. So this first problem says 5,200 and 520. The value of the 2 in 5,200 is how many times the value of the 2 in 520. So when we're looking at this, we want to be able to represent our number. So the 2 in 5,200, that is in the hundreds place. So that means that it is worth 2, not thousands, that means it is worth 2 hundreds. And the 2 in 520, that 2 is in the tens place, so that means the value of that digit is worth 2 tens, so that's 20. So we're comparing 220. So if we look on our place value chart, this 2 digits in the tens place, and this 2 digit is in the hundreds place. So we are jumping one place value over to be able to see how many times greater it is. Well, when you think about it, one is the hundreds and one is the tens. How many tens do I fit in a flat or in 100? There's 10, right? So that means that this is going to be 10 times greater because there are 10 flats that you add in to make another flat. So how many times greater is this 2-digit? It's 10 times. It's hopping from one place value to the next. To go from 10 to 100, you have to have 10 of the longs, or 10 of the tens. All right, let's move on to the next. 3,712 and 1,392. So the value of the 3 in 3,712 is how many times the value of the 3 in 1,392. Well, we want to look and see, well, what place value are these 3 digits in? This 3-digit is in the thousands place right here, and this 3-digit is in the hundreds place right here. So we're going to be hopping from just one place value to the next. So we're going from a flat to a cube. I want for you to ask yourself, how many of these hundreds or how many of these flats makes up a cube? And if you don't know, grab your manipulatives. Pause this video and solve. Okay, so how many of these flats make a cube? Well, the answer to that is 10. So we're hopping from one place value to the next. So how many times larger is it? It is 10 times the value. All right. Thank you guys so much for practicing with me. If you need extra assistance, make sure that you grab the extra resources that your teacher has. Have a good day.